Hello guys, it is Friday, new weekend is here, and always as usual I will give you something special for this weekend. Very good offer for two products. Sorry, I have a phone call. I'm back guys, I had a phone call. So, as I said, it is Friday. I will give you a special offer. This is V25, new version, latest version. I am showing just now the new versions. We have two trades. You see USD and Canadian, automatically take up by software. You can use it manually. I'm finding where is GBP. Here, also the trade. So also here you have two products on the charts. One is indicator, another is expert advisor. So you can get both, as you see, like this, or maybe you would like to have only expert advisor or only indicator. If you will have only indicator, then you will not see this. Or you can have only trader. It is important to know because you can get both in this promo for only 99 euro. Both. Because this weekend promo is get any two products of your choice from my webpage for only 99 today. Tomorrow it is 109 euro for both, and on Sunday 119. So if you are quick today, you can save 10 or 20 bucks for 99 any two products. Also the same situation is here. You see, this is, or we can go anywhere else. This is Omega Turbo Trader, also new. Also you see here on charts both indicators. This is here what you see, arrows, big, small, you trade only smalls, but I will not explain you. From the beginning you have at least 20 videos about this. This is if you buy it, let's say you want only expert advisor, but no arrows, no indicator. If you have indicator, this is maybe better. You can see manually settings, you can even trade manually. You see here the trade sell was taken. Here we are waiting for a small black arrow and we can enter the trade. Also this, we have other products here. Do we have, maybe I have it. So it is valid for all products. All products you can use it here. For example, if you want both expert advisor and indicator, for 99 euro, let's say you can get these two. Or you can go to my webpage, you can choose any. This is my strategy 15 years ago, which I'm using still today. This is a breakout plus, which I explained also many times. So this is a breakout. Here we could enter the trade, or if I have opened it before, software will probably here open the trade. You see, it is obvious breakout. Everything is set automatically. We have an option for 1 hour and we have for 5 minutes. You see here the breakout has been made here. First trade, second trade. This is on 5 minutes. So also on 5 minutes you see 2 winning trades here, one, and this is the second. So everything is done by software. This is my strategy, which I have been using 12 years. My daily, monthly, weekly, yearly bread. About this I will not explain anymore, not showing anything. I haven't shown it for 12 years. Recently I explained you. If you are interested in this, then you must contact me. This is not included in offer. You will get a training video here, everything explained, these settings. It is easy to use. Breakout plus, we are waiting at the close of this candle, new trade, breakout is in action, and so on, so on. This is eScalper. Also, this is included in this offer. You see how many trades. You see today only we made in last 1 hour or so we made almost $2,000. Here we are waiting for finishing of this trade. This is a reactor scalper. You see how many trades today it did. $5,000. Sorry. This is USD JPY trade. Here gold is in action still. So I will not show you all products. You can go to you can go to my webpage. You can find any two products, guys, even eScalper, any two for 99 euros today. So 99 today, tomorrow 10 euros more, 109, or on Sunday 119. So I'm rewarding all of you which are the quickest, the fastest, so you can get the best price. So you can choose anything from here, this one or Trendy Trader, any two, guys. It can be two EAs, two indicators, anything. And I forgot to say, 5 licenses you will get for each product you choose. MS16 Trader, this is fantastic. Let's see. Then FX Scalper with Future MACD. This is something fantastic. Please go to my videos before. FX Turbo Circle. So many products. What is everything in common? That you get 2 products for only 99 today. I don't know what we have here, which I forgot. Binary Turbo Circle. MS Trader. I was showing this. You see, this is on 4 hour. Maybe it will open some trade. Everything is automated here. You don't need to touch anything. I don't know. Let's see, maybe we'll have some. Here we could have trade because this strength 85% is good. Maybe to put on 1 hour. Let's see what is the strength. 80%. Let's put new magic number, any, just to refresh that is a new. Maybe on 30 minutes. Or we have to wait, guys. Or maybe we have to wait that a new candle is open. But here, I'm sure the new trade will be open in maximum. Let's see this one. It's more 10 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes. although I'm not using it on 5 minutes too much. I like higher time frames, but let's see, maybe. You can use it on all assets, on all time frames, but always, guys, higher time frames are much better. No, I don't know why it is not open. I don't know. I was hoping that you will see the trade, but nothing happened. Trailing stop. Ah, this setup, guys, is for bitcoins, for gold. That's why it is not. Maybe I put wrong. Ah, this is only expert advisor. So we cannot wait anymore. Here, which are the settings? Yes, this is normal settings. That's why I put settings for gold or for Bitcoin. That's why it hasn't opened the trade. But nevertheless, you can see on my web page many, at least 10-15 videos about live trading with this. Maybe late afternoon I will open 5, 6, 10 pairs with MS16 trader and I will show you. So at the end, 99 euro for any two products today. Any two plus 5 licenses. Tomorrow you will pay 10 euros more, and on Sunday more 10 euros. So it is good to get it today if you want to save. You choose from my web anything you want and just go to my web and that's it. You see about this. This is automated version of my strategy number 16. Also you can see my strategy number 16 video, my private strategy, and because it was one of the best, I automated it so you can easily trade without many stress. So here we should have a trade, and we already would have if the settings was okay. I didn't notice it, that my settings are not good. You see everything is 111, so everything is confirmed. All confirmations, all 4 confirmations are confirmed. If you see 0, then it means that it is not confirmed to be traded everything. This is settings, by the way, for gold or for something else. I can put, I don't know, Bitcoin here or everything, but who knows what is the strength. We need 80%, so I will leave it to normal MS16 trader here, but I I will have to reduce this. Trailing stop, we can put 10. Take profit, we can put 50. Stop loss 25. Fixed lot, or you can use risk percentage. I will put, I don't know, 2%. If you put risk percent, then it will not use this. So if you want fixed lot size, then put this to 0. Custom magic is different number for every pair. So you can make any number, even minus. I will put -5. So now I hope we can expect the trade very soon. And these settings are okay. 10 trailing stop, 25 stop loss, 50 winning trade. So I will save these settings for you. It is here. This is what is. I know what's happened. This text is making problem. So we can put to 15 minutes. It is better to be higher. Then I will load New Zealand. Let's say New Zealand. It is only 7%. So we cannot expect too quick. Let's find New Zealand, this one. This is 74, so also this is close. Or let's see, Euro USD maybe. Euro USD. It is only 9%. We have good movement here. Everything is confirmed except you see 1, 2, 3 confirmation except this. So it's very good system. Also, this is not confirmed, but we can trade anything we want. I will put this also, but with these settings. Let's put Bitcoin at least on 1 hour. And yes, this is a settings for crypto. Yeah. 80%, risk percent 2. So guys, don't worry, you will get both settings for cryptos, for normal pairs, for gold. This is one of the best. If you look back on my YouTube videos, you will see that this is really one of the best. So I will pause the video or finish this video. You know all. But if this will be open here, 93%, I will just show you. If not, have a nice weekend. Use this perfect promo offer, 99 euros for any 2 products. Either EAs or indicators or strategies or anything you want. Have a nice weekend. You see the trade has been opened here on Euro JPY automatically by MS Trader. Trailing stop is open. It is pretty low. I will put this to 15 that we are safe. but trailing stop is activated already. We cannot lose anymore. So if it goes back, we are in the money. Also here I open trade with fantastic FX scalper with latest 2 version using future MACD. Future, you see why it is future. You see when I enter the trade here, I see next 20 candles that future MACD is showing me going up. So that's why I was open at the trade at the next candle. I was late, I should open it here, and we already would have, I don't know, 100 pips maybe. So this is how my indicators and expert advisors works. It is up to you if you want to get any 2 of them. Today only 99 for 2 plus 5 licenses. Tomorrow 109. You will see all this in the description box below. And please contact me only on my email below. And guys, about payment, I had yesterday one wrong payment. When you go to buy for PayPal, just contact me for email for which you wanna pay. If you use PayPal option, contact me for details. If you use crypto, Bitcoin addresses are here, but we accept all other. Ask, request, you will get a wallet address for any crypto you like. We have all. Western Union, you know, and this is IBAN for bank account. This is if you have Revolt, maybe in Europe is used. In my country, very many people use it. It is in few seconds payment. Also this Visa, the same. So you have many options. Have a nice day, guys. Have a nice day and weekend too. Bye bye.